Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the M4 Maths YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve problem set of the arithmetic progression. What I found myself when I gone through my own videos, I found somewhere in some questions to save the time I was giving the less explanation of that question. So now my emphasis, or I will emphasize on the explanation more, and I am going to add very less number of examples in each video. Even if I have to prepare more videos for the exercises, I am okay for that. But I will not shorten my explanation. Okay? So here, what is the first question about? Actually, first question of the problem set is of MCQ, which we are not going to discuss here. Second one directly we are discussing. Find the fourth term from the end in an AP minus 11, 8, minus 5 and 49. Before finding the fourth term, before finding the fourth term or whatever term they are asking, I want to discuss the concept with you. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Will you tell me how many terms are there? There are 10 terms. Obviously T1, T2 and T10. Okay. Which one is the first term from the end? Obviously 10 is the first term from the end. Which one is the second term? Here terms are 10, n is equal to 10. 10th term is 10. I am saying which one is the second term from the end. We want to find second term from the end, and which term is the second term from the end? 9. And from the beginning which term it is? It is the 9th term. We want to find second term, and this 9 is the 9th term from the beginning. Total 10 terms are there. From 10, how much we have to subtract to get this term? Only 1. If I want to find second term, then I have to subtract 1. If I want to find third term, then I have to be subtracting these two terms. If I want to find 10th term from the right end, then I have to be subtracting from the total terms, I have to be subtracting 9 terms. Understanding what I am saying? So, here suppose they are asking you to find the fourth term from the right end. Fourth term. So how many terms are there in all? 10 minus. As they are asking us to find fourth term, how many terms we are going to subtract? 3 terms, because fourth is the term which we want. Only 3 terms we are going to subtract from the total number of terms. So I subtracted 3 terms. Is it a fourth term from the right end? Yes, obviously. One more example. What is the 7th term from the right end? Total number of terms are 10. Which one we want to find? 7th one. Then how much we have to subtract from the total? As we want to find 7th, we are going to subtract 6, 1 less than required, which is equal to 4. 4 is the 7th term from the right end and 4th term from the beginning. Okay? So, this is how we can solve this problem. 49. What is the sequence of 49? We don't know. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third. We don't know the sequence of it. First of all, we have to find the sequence of that term with the help of TL. So let it be, no issue. Here you can simply write here A or A directly, minus 11. D is equals to T2 minus T1, which is equals to minus 8 minus of minus 11, which is equals to minus 8 plus 11. D we found as a 3. Okay? What else is given? Last term we know, which is 49. Okay? What we want to find? Sequence of that term. what is the sequence of this term. Okay, so we know what we know. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value. Our values 49 is equal to a. Where is a? Minus 11 plus n. How many? We don't know. We don't have the n's value. So n as it is minus 1 into d. What is the value of d here? As you know, it is 3. Then 49, let me see, is it visible to you? Yes, this is visible to you. 49 is equals to minus 11 plus 3n minus 3. I have solved this bracket by 3. Okay, you could, or we could directly send this minus 11 to the plus 11 and all, but here also we can calculate and then send. Now look at the board. 49 is equals to minus 11 minus 3 minus 14. 49 is equals to minus 14 plus 3n. Minus 14 will go to the left and will be plus 14. 49 plus 14 is 63, which is equals to 3n. What n is going to be equal to? 63 by 3. Multiplication 3 is going into the division. N is equals to 21. Means 21st term of this arithmetic progression is 49. Okay, so there are 21 terms in the arithmetic progression and we want to find fourth from the end. We want to find fourth from the end. Then from the 21, how much we have to subtract? 3. So here we have to write it down. I will write it with the green pen. The fourth term from the end must be 21 minus 3. 21 total minus 3 because you want to find fourth one. Okay, that is 18th term from left, or a beginning also you can write. Means actually we want to find 18th term from the beginning. Already we have the value of a, we have the value of t. We want to find T18 now. So here, therefore, T18 is equal to, what is the A? Minus 11 plus n minus 18 minus 1 into D. What is D? It is 3. T18 is equal to minus 11 as it is, plus 18 minus 1, 17, 3s are 51, and their subtraction is equal to 40. So what is the fourth term from the right end? From the right end, fourth term is 40. Therefore, you have to write in your answer statement. Therefore, fourth term from the right end is 40, or a 40 is the fourth term from the right end. That concept you have to understand. Fourth from the right is going to be 18th, 21 total terms minus 3. Why we are subtracting 3? Because of fourth term. If they would be asking us to find seventh term, then how much we are going to subtract from it? 6. If they are asking 10th term, then 9. If they are asking 15th term, then we would be subtracting 14 from it. 21 minus 14 will be the term from the left hand side. This is all about it. It is very simple but little bit tricky question here. If you understand this part, then very easily, because you already know how to put the values, how to write the formula, which formula to be used here, everything you know. Only this part is little bit tricky, which you have to understand, and then you can go ahead with this problem. Okay? Thank you.